Language development. Language development in infants and toddlers is a fascinating and complex process that begins from birth and continues throughout early childhood. Here is an overview of the key stages and milestones in language development during the infant and toddler years. Pre-linguistic stage, birth to 12 months. Birth to 3 months, babies start communicating through crying, cooing, and making basic sounds. They begin to differentiate between familiar voices and may respond to soothing sounds. 4 to 6 months, babbling emerges as infants produce repetitive consonant-vowel combinations, for example, ba 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 or da da da. They also start to imitate simple sounds and gestures. 7 to 12 months, infants begin to understand simple words and commands such as their name, no, or bye-bye. They may also produce their first recognizable words, usually referring to familiar objects or people. 2. Holophrastic stage, 12 to 18 months. Toddlers start using single words to convey meaning known as holophrases. They typically use these words in a variety of contexts to express needs, desires, and emotions. Vocabulary growth accelerates during this stage, with toddlers learning new words rapidly through exposure and repetition. 3. Telegraphic stage, 18 to 24 months. Toddlers begin to combine words to form short phrases or telegraphic speech. These phrases usually consist of essential words needed to convey meaning, omitting grammatical elements like articles, prepositions, and verbs ending. They may produce two-word combinations such as more juice, big ball, or daddy go. Vocabulary expansion, 24 months and beyond. As toddlers approach their second birthday, their vocabulary continues to expand rapidly. They learn new words through daily interactions, books, songs, and exposure to their environment. They begin to use more complex sentences, structures, and grammar rules, gradually acquiring a more sophisticated understanding of language. 5. Language comprehension. Alongside expressive language development, infants and toddlers also demonstrate significant growth in their ability to understand spoken language. Even before they can speak, infants show comprehension through their responses to familiar words, gestures, and commands. Toddlers become increasingly adept at following simple instructions, responding to questions, and understanding basic concepts. They begin to use more complex sentence structures and grammar rules, gradually acquiring a more sophisticated understanding of language. 6. Social interaction and communication. Language development is closely intertwined with social interaction and communication skills. Infants and toddlers learn language through meaningful interactions with caregivers and peers. Joint attention, turn-taking, and imitation play crucial roles in language acquisition as children observe and imitate the language used by others in their social environment. Overall, language development in infants and toddlers is a dynamic process characterized by rapid growth and progression. Caregivers and educators play a vital role in supporting language development through responsive interactions, rich language input, and opportunities for meaningful communication and exploration. We must speak clearly to the child, give him the right words, and repeat them often for him. In this way, we can stimulate the explosion into language, which is being prepared. Maria Montessori, The 1946 London Lectures.